Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve a very nice puzzle. Okay, this is like a alphanumeric puzzle. You might be wondering why do we have alphabets, but in mathematics there are times when we are dealing with these kind of puzzles as well. So now in this case what you do? So first, very important thing you need to remember is that we can always associate the alphabets with numbers. Here we can say A is the first number, first alphabet, so we give 1 to A. B is the second number, so we'll give 2 to B. And then C will be what? 3. D will be 4. And E will be 5. Okay, so right now let's try and understand how do we do this. So see here, can I say this is basically this is getting you 1, 2 and 5, right? Because we have A which is 1, B which is 2 and E which is 5. Okay, so and here we have 3, C and then again A and then J. J is the 10th letter. Okay, and D is 4 and here we have 2 and this is something which you need to find. Now if you look very closely, see what happens is, see we get a choice. Okay, so here when you see this, if you look very closely, 1 plus 2 gets you 3. Okay, but here we need a 5. So how about we try to do this 1 square plus 2 square, and that gets us the answer as 5. So that is absolutely correct. But now let's check whether it's applicable for the second row as well. So 3 square plus 1 square, 1 square. So that also gets you 10. So this is correct. So this answer for this question mark should be basically 4 square plus 2 square. That is basically 16 plus 4, that gets you 20. So here we need to see which alphabet comes on the 20th letter. And yes, the alphabet which comes over here is supposed to be T. Okay, students who are preparing for entrances, this kind of a knowledge is super important. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.